MyScreen live wallpapers. So you can then just find in here on MyScreen. Pretty cool app. Just find it in here. You can see it in top charts. It says 300,000 ratings. Themes, icons, widgets, wallpapers. Give your iPhone a top to bottom makeover with wallpaper, themes, icons, and widgets for lock and home screens. Show your true colors with MyScreen. Customize everything from your lock screen to icons, charging, animation, and widgets until your personality shines through it all. MyScreen's ultimate goal is to make your device more you and make you smile every time you lay eyes on it. So this is the idea. The app offers a full range of customization options to showcase your unique taste and personality with lots of beautiful wallpapers, themes, and watch faces, keyboards, icons, and awesome widget sets. With MyScreen, you get access to mesmerizing live wallpapers, stylish themes with keyboards, striking static wallpapers, AI wallpaper generator, AI avatar widgets, sleek watch faces, stylish icon packs, home screen packs, thematic categories. So you can just find it in here. There is also standby screens, interactive widgets from iOS 17. So with this app, you can fully redesign your lock and home screen, browse through the extensive wallpaper and watch faces catalog, easily save wallpapers to photos, and then you can just find here live wallpapers work on iPhone 6s or later, except for iPhone SE. With other iPhone models, they can be used as static wallpapers. Live wallpaper are supported on all versions of iOS except iOS 16. Here it is. They instantly offer you to upgrade. So select the three categories you like. There is enable free trial. So as you can see here, unlimited free trial. Photos, 3 days free trials and $5 per week. Quite a good price actually. And yearly, this is what you can get, $35 per year. So, and that's just what you're getting in here. So here is the full catalog. There's all the wallpapers. Some of them, as you can see, are paid. And then you can just see some other ones. So these are one of the best apps for this kind of high quality wallpapers for all kind of themes, tags, topics. And then, for example, if you want to see fluid time, then you see this kind of 3D kind of effects of time. There is also AI edits. So understand. Top wallpapers, live wallpapers, this stuff like that. New lock screen, avatars, comics, watch faces, interactive widgets. So super cool app actually. And then you can see catalog, wallpapers, live wallpapers, and then AI generations. You can create AI wallpaper generator. So here you can just create AI wallpaper yourself. That's actually quite cool, right? Then you have settings. You have all the tutorials you need, like how to set shuffle back. I don't know what is that. So you can select to your wallpapers to shuffle, icons, keyboards, charging animation, standby screens. So yeah, quite cool. Your favorites. And then just, you can create your own AI avatars as well. So that's just what you're getting, and that's kind of the idea.